we go. Look who I've picked up along the way. Okay, so been back from Australia for a day, and look where we are again, at another bloody airport. But this time, me and this little one are going on holiday. It's my best friend's 40th birthday in Las Vegas. So, as always, we're actually, I say as always, we're not running late this time. Usually we're running late, but this time we've got to the airport with stacks of time, so we're going to cruise into our holiday. And Las Vegas, here we come. Say Viva Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas, I'm hungry, hurry up.
Quick connection in New York. How's the flight so far?
Very nice.
And now we've got another 6 hours until we land in
Las Vegas!
They say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. When in Vegas, go and shoot some machine guns. Oh yeah! So we're now here at Machine Guns Vegas. Henny is hooking us up with some kick-ass firearms. Which one did you go for?
I went for the gamers package.
I went for the pink one.
Went for the femme fatale.
I went all in.
I went all in.
I've just gone all in. I think he's going to blow up a car.
Oh shit.
And these guys are going to teach us how to fire all the big guns.
Oh yeah.
I'm a little bit
Kids
scared.
package.
Little bit. I got the kids package because I'm a little bit of a pussy, as you all know.
What do I do?
Well, that was so much better than I thought it would be. Machine Guns Las Vegas. Look at these trucks, they've got guns on the top. So I had the 4-pack, which was a Beretta 92, it was an Uzi, I had a other big gun that shot loads of like big rounds. It was a lot of fun. Hopefully the videos that were in a little bit before this showed you that. It was actually more fun than I thought it would be, which is probably not a good thing. Anyway, now we're back to the hotel where we're gonna grab a little bit to eat, get ready, and then head out for a solid night out in Las Vegas. Don't get more iconic than the Bellagio fountain here on the Strip. We are just about to go and grab a little bit of food. Look at that. Something damn cool about the Vegas Strip. So here's the squad. Everybody's dressed up and we're about to go grab some dinner before heading to a show. We're gonna go watch O at the Bellagio. Okay, so it's 4 a.m. We went to watch O. I fell asleep. We then went to do some gambling. I lost all my money. We then had a few drinks and I drank a little bit of whiskey. And it's now 4 a.m. and we've got to get up for brunch tomorrow. However, I don't think that's going to happen. I think I'm going to not set an alarm and just see what happens tomorrow. I know tomorrow the plans are a pool day and then try and get a helicopter ride in. So we'll see what happens, see how the night goes tonight, and then how we wake up, and if we do anything. We will see then. Good night. So it's the morning after the night before, and what better way to burn off a little bit of a hangover than by jumping on one of these and heading out to the Grand Canyon for a Grand Canyon tour. This is going to be amazing. I've been to Vegas, I think 5 or 6 times, and this is something that I've always wanted to do, but this is the time when we're finally going to get to do it. Tick it off the bucket list, get out there into the Grand Canyon in one of these little helicopters. Get to see the red rocks and the 1,000 feet drop that is the Grand Canyon. And guess what? I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to film some of it. It should be amazing. So we're down here in the Grand Canyon, had a cool flight over, the scenery is breathtaking, and now all the choppers are heading off, look at that, to take everybody home, back to the Las Vegas Strip for the last night here in Vegas. What an amazing trip. It's the last morning here in Vegas. We had Ben's birthday meal last night, went to a really nice Thai restaurant, and now the young ones are up early, out in the sun, trying to catch those last minute rays before we head back to, wow, that's bright, sunny London. Anyway, check out the Las Vegas Strip. How cool is that? 8 in the morning. There's a lot of bad time bobs around. Vegas. What's wrong with her? Vegas at this time in the morning is an odd mix of people getting up early, like we are, and people getting back very late. But here's the Strip. All the major landmarks. There's Paris, Planet Hollywood, Bellagio. Backstreet Boys, big screens. Planet Hollywood over our shoulder. We are in the hub, but we're gonna hit the gym, then grab some breakfast, then get ourselves ready to get on a flight and head back home to sunny London. What an amazing trip so far. So that is it, landed safe and sound here in Gatwick and just waiting to catch the shuttle back to central London so I can go straight to work at City Athletic for 3 days before heading off to Germany for FIBO. So from this episode of Body Powder Vlog, I guess that's it. I've just left Sophie to catch a flight back to Vienna to go pick up the cub. I'll see him on Wednesday night for a couple of hours, and then bright and early Thursday morning I'll be headed back to the airport for a quick flight to Cologne, Germany to catch up with some of the other guys at Team Optimum, where another expo is waiting. It's non-stop, but what a great way to end this weekend. Back to work today, and then off again. See you later.